Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm going to tell you about how to learn practically English. So if you decided or plan you want to learn spoken English, today I will describe how to improve or how to start spoken English. You know, English is an international language. It is used worldwide. So if you focus this language, your life will be better in future, and you will get a better opportunity when you will work. That time you will a lot of opportunities or chances from of the company, from of the people, anyhow, because you have a school, you have a language, right? When you experience and when you speak English in front of people and understand people, that's the good and fantastic. So if you really improve your English, you have to practice practically. You think practically. When you go to anywhere, you think and around your materials, what can I say? You try to make sentence. This is very beneficial for you. So I hope you understand my point. Like right now, as you can see, I also, when I go new place, I want to try to make video and try to explain this that place, and this is the thing, and to improve spoken English. So first of all, if you want to learn English, you go to YouTube and search a lot of spoken video and a lot of English teachers available YouTube channel, and you can easily achieve this language. You also offline learn spoken English. It's a better chance for you. So I suggest you, if you have don't money, don't try to offline learn English. You try online. When you watch movie, don't watch movie, because you see English video. It's help you, because when you listening every day, that and at the time you will speak easily and you will understand when you learn. So thank you very much. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.